I don't know, you guys. I'm feeling a little defeated with this. I think I'm gonna be done. I think I'm gonna be done with this. Okay, so here's the deal. Not too long ago, I posted a video where I had spent $25 for a pallet of junk. It was an entire 5-foot Gaylord that was completely full of all of the leftovers in the bin store that I frequent. The place where I go get most of the merchandise that I sell on Facebook and eBay. This bin store is my primary source of merchandise, and they had these 5-foot tall pallets of junk. I mean, there's no other way to describe it. It's the junk in the bins that didn't even sell on 50-cent day. Although I had immediate regrets with that pallet, I still found some really good stuff for eBay. But I did not want to commit myself to another pallet. That is why I opted for a $5 box. That's right. $5 box. So I'm going to open up this box with you guys today, and I'm gonna see if I can find anything that I'm planning to sell on eBay. Now, there very well could be stuff in here that might be a really good Facebook flip for me, but that is not my goal. My goal with these junk pallets, junk boxes, 50-cent day at the bin store, my ultimate goal with those sourcing opportunities is eBay. I've previously mentioned, and I'm probably gonna do an all-inclusive video discussing it a little bit more in detail in the very near future. But my new sourcing strategy for eBay is get stuff as cheap as possible or free if you can. So I paid $5 for this box because I told them I did not want to take on another pallet. And so I have $5 invested in this box. In order to get free eBay inventory, I'm basically going to try to find 1 or 2 things, preferably one thing in this box that I can sell on Facebook for at least $5 to get my money back. And then anything else that I find to sell on eBay will be pure profit at that point. Without further ado, let's open up this junk box and see if there's anything in here worth selling. Because if most of it ends up just being unsellable trash, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Here we go. Okay, all right. Okay. So I have no idea if this works or not. The back of the battery case is broken, but it has a USB. But it's kind of cute. So I'm wondering if it works. I mean, if it works, I might just put this in Ben's room, not gonna lie. I think Ben would like that on his wall. But we're not here shopping for me. We're seeing what we can make profit on. Okay, now I'm just finding stuff for me. What is this about? So I can't sell it because it's not complete, but this is an Eco Kit bag. It's a Market canvas tote, and inside it still has 2 reusable produce bags. Check that out. Now, it's also supposed to come with glass straws, and it does not come with the glass straws unless they fell out in here somewhere, but that's kind of cool. I don't know, maybe I could sell this for $5. Even though it doesn't have the glass straws. This is a potential $5 flip to get my money back for the box. I'm just gonna set my potential $5 flips over there. Or it's something that I could keep and get use out of. Okay, so here's some out-of-date planners. We don't need those. No. My first Valentine's Day bib, no. As I said before, I'm literally just looking for stuff that's profitable. Here's a book. What's this selling for? Let me look it up on eBay. This book is only selling for like $3 or $4 with free shipping. That's not good. Here's just a standard lined notebook. Not really worth a ton. Here's some Brow Maximizer Wet n Wild. Let me see what this is selling for on eBay. Okay, so this could be an eBay item. This Wet n Wild Gel Max Eyebrow, whatever. As long as I can find something to sell for at least $5 to recoup my cost of the box, this will be pure profit. I think I could sell it for, you know, $5 on eBay. Heyday tablet case, a tin. Here's a thankful tree kit for Thanksgiving, a wine bag, another tin, some sort of rubber gloves, a knitted cap. Nope, too small. Never mind. Don't know what that is. Okay, so I'm not gonna look this up on eBay because I don't know, because it has an Amazon LPN on it, so I'm gonna search it with the Amazon app. I mean, this is a battery eliminator car charger. It's $8 on Amazon. This could be something that I put on eBay for a few dollars. And again, if I get my $5 back for the box, it'd be pure profit. Something broken, some laundry labels. Laundry labels, don't know who would need those. A whole bunch of thankful trees. I'm wondering if these thankful trees, because I've got 4 now. I wonder if these thankful trees is something that I could sell. Oh, they're kind of damaged though. I was gonna say maybe I could sell these for like $2 a piece or something. They look a little damaged though, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. Because they're cardboard and the cardboard looks bent. Little participation trophies. There's only a few in this box though, so I don't think it's got a ton of value. Some sort of rubber tread. A Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles car. Whoa. There's some magnets, some used Cottonelle flushable wipes. Here's a Creo. Oh, it works. Except there's no writing pad or anything. But I can draw on it, see? It's a heart. I don't know. Oh, do you just do that to erase it? Twig. A decorative twig. Better Together banner. Here's some glitter stickers for the holidays. Some sort of snap bracelet it looks like. Here's some clothespins. I don't know what this is, some sort of a weird plastic bottle. Some puffy cupcake and ice cream stickers. A rando handle. Some sort of... Okay, so this is an Amazon return, so I'm gonna scan it with Amazon and see exactly what it is. It kind of looks like a notepad board. Looks kind of like a notepad board with an attached pencil, and it's not like a D clip, but it's got like a clip. Oh, it's a Scuba Choice Diving Dive writing slate. What? I mean, they're worth anywhere from $10 to $12 on Amazon and it's brand new, so I can list that. There's another notebook, another out-of-date planner, more laundry labels. Here's a pop socket, but I cannot put this on eBay. Did you guys know that? Yeah, so if you didn't know, let me be the one to tell you. The pop socket brand has been going after sellers like crazy on eBay. So don't list pop sockets on eBay. However, I could potentially sell this for a few dollars on Facebook. Here's a rando binder. Here's a craft paper laundry tote. Here's some hair color. It's still sealed. Let me see. It's Sunset Peach. Let's see what this is going for on eBay. Yeah, not a lot. One box is like $6 on eBay. Not sure that would be worth it because those do expire. Here's a Blue Land body wash refill. I've never heard of this. Is it expensive? I mean, sets of 2 are selling for $13 to $15 plus shipping. One might be worth something. Maybe I'll hang on to that and put it on eBay. Here's a birthday bag. Here's a storage apple. I don't know what you'd store in there. There's a couple of organizational bins, some screws, some sort of, I don't know what this is, a half-used box of birthday candles. Let's see, curtain rod holders. There's another random handle, some slime mix-in. There's a car ornament. I don't know, you guys. I'm feeling a little defeated with this. I think I'm gonna be done. I think I'm gonna be done with this. I don't think I'm gonna do these anymore. I'm not gonna do them anymore. I don't think I'm gonna do these anymore. I don't think I'm gonna do them anymore. I think I'm done with these. I think I'm just gonna stick with 50 Sunday. Unless I find something in the bottom of this box, I think I'm over this. I'm done. Here's a 24-ounce pickling plastic jar. That's kind of cool. So if you want to like just make quick pickles in this, it's not like a mason jar where they're for long-term storage. You can just pickle things in this jar in the fridge within a couple days. Here's a Goodfellow necktie. This might be something for eBay. This is brand new. It's a really nice black tie. I'll put that in my eBay pile. Here's a rando shower curtain. Some more mix-ins for slime. Another random handle. Oh, this could be good for eBay. We're starting to get to the time of year where it's getting cold. It's a set of doggy snowshoes. These are hot pink. Yeah, I'll put these over in the eBay pile. It's a set of 4, so those can go on eBay. Okay, this could be an eBay item, but because it has an Amazon barcode on it, I'm gonna scan it on Amazon first, just so I can get the value of it. It's a 5-inch vent system dryer duct plug. Dryer duct plug. It's about 10 bucks on Amazon. That could be something I put on eBay. Okay, here's a bunch of random cookie cutters. They're definitely holiday. There's like a gingerbread man, a Christmas tree, there's a snowman, there's a Christmas stocking, and these are all like 97 cents normally at Target. Got some springtime ice molds. Okay, I'm not gonna take anything else out of the box. I'm just gonna look for value now. Wicked colors. Here's some spoons. Anything else for eBay? Anything. Here's a random slinky. Brando slinky. Can you see the disappointment on my face? I feel like you could see the disappointment on my face. Yeah, aloe wipes for a dog. Here's some air filters for something. Let's see, $9.51. I mean, these are mower filters, it looks like. They're like 8 bucks on Amazon, but I mean, might as well put them on eBay. Probably be a real quick list. A scoop. What's this? Billiard cues. All right, again, there's an Amazon barcode, so I'm just gonna scan it. Yeah, these billiard cue thingies are worth about 7 bucks on Amazon. And that's all I'm finding. Here's a small screwdriver. Here's a little mini necktie. I don't know, what do you guys think? You like my necktie? I know, I tied it myself. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this again. This is my last box. Yeah, it's my last box. All right, so let me show you the stuff that I found that I think I can probably sell for $5 or more, either one item or combined to at least get my money for the box back. Now, again, I only spent $5 on the box, you guys. I spent $5. Like, am I gonna cry over losing money on a $5 box? No, that would just be silly. Coming from somebody who has lost tens of thousands of dollars on bad truckloads, losing $5 off of a bad box is not gonna break me. But let me show you what I got to potentially sell to recoup the cost of this box. So I have this jawbreaker style pop socket that I can sell on Facebook for anywhere from $3 to $5. I do have this Market tote bag, although I would kind of like to save it for myself. I'll probably try to sell it for $5 first, especially because it has 2 of the reusable produce bags in there. So I think between those 2 items, I'll definitely get the money back. I do also have these, although I don't see the lid for this one in there, but these are 2 Beloved by Love Beauty and Planet. They're the Cashmere Wood and Sage Body Mists. There's 2 of them in here, and these, you know, are upwards of like $8 a piece at Target. So I'm pretty sure that I could sell the set for $5. So that, you know, that set alone could recoup the cost. Something else that I can do to recoup the cost of the box is I can sell my own mystery box. Realistically, what I could do is I could take out all of the trash and the unsellable junk out of this box and put everything that's usable in another size box and sell it on my Facebook page for, you know, $15, and that would get my money back and earn me an immediate profit. That is something else I will probably do, because there are a lot of things in here that are in usable condition. They're brand new, like the cookie cutters, and I know I didn't show you guys, but there's, you know, an AirPods case here. There's some ice molds. There's like a nice little dry goods scoop right here. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep this because I think I need it for my flower jar. So that's gonna stay with me. Just kidding. You know, there's random spoons in here if somebody needs spoons. There's little spray bottles. There were sticker sheets. There were books. There's a shower curtain. There's a lot of stuff in here that's useful. So I think if I just dig out the trash and all the broken stuff, that I can repackage it and sell it as like a $15 mystery box on Facebook. I can probably do that. Now let me show you the stuff that I got that I think would be a really easy list for eBay. I have these doggy snowshoes. I did not look them up on Amazon, but I would imagine I'd be able to list these on eBay for, you know, $5 to $8 plus the cost of shipping. There's this 5-inch laundry dryer duct cover. This is like, I don't know, $9 or $10 on Amazon. I'm pretty sure I can list it for like $5 on eBay. And any price that I say I probably will list on eBay, it's plus the cost of shipping. That's not, I don't do free shipping. It's always plus the cost of shipping for me. This 20-piece set of billiard cues, I can probably, you know, $4 or $5. This black Goodfellow tie has a price tag on it of $19.99. I could probably sell this for $8 or $9. This little scuba riding pad, this I could probably sell for $6 or $7 on eBay. These air filters were roughly $10 on Amazon, so probably $5 on eBay. And keep in mind, I'm planning on all this being profit because I will get that $5 back. This laundry refill is about $6 on eBay or so. This Wet n Wild brow maximizer is probably about $5. And then this car charger thing, I can't exactly remember what it charges, but I could probably sell this for $4 or $5 too. Now, while everything I found to sell on eBay is not like an astronomical amount of money, it is, you know, filler stuff that I can put on eBay that will be pure profit when it sells. I'm not gonna have any capital tied up while it's sitting on the shelf waiting to sell on eBay. And that's kind of my mindset when it comes to selling on eBay now. Everything that is new that I intend to list on eBay, I don't want to have a bunch of capital tied up in it. So the whole idea of this, like I said, I know I probably sound like a broken record at this point, and I'm sorry if I'm being all bendy and things, but my butt is asleep. I probably sound like a broken record, but with the entire idea of everything being pure profit, that means I have no capital tied up in any of those items. So while those items are probably only gonna sell for a few dollars here and there, I'll probably only net, you know, $3 or $4 on multiple of those items after eBay fees when everything is all said and done. It's still pure profit. It's filler for my store. It's activity listing in eBay because, you know, as I've said for years, and as I'm sure a lot of you already know by now, listing new things in eBay is the fastest way to start getting sales on eBay. So I need things to list in order to keep the momentum going in my eBay store, because I really don't list on eBay a lot anymore. I put a lot of my focus on other platforms, primarily on Facebook. So even though I only found, you know, maybe $40 or $50 worth of stuff to list on eBay, it's still something. And it's stuff that's brand new in the package. It's gonna be really fast and easy to list. It does not take up a lot of space, and I have no capital in it at all whatsoever. At least I won't after I sell a couple of things to get my $5 back. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please make sure to hit that thumbs up before you leave. That is the fastest way to let me know that you've liked this kind of content so that I can continue to make it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to check the video description. I always put a lot of useful information in there, including the link to my Facebook page. If you are ever curious to see exactly how I sell items on Facebook and I flip them so fast, the easiest way to see how I do that is to go check out my page in real time. That way you could see how I am doing that before, you know, I have a chance to put out any videos about it. I do also ship items now, so if you happen to see anything on my page that you would like to purchase, you can join in on the fun and put sold in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe before you leave and ring that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.